welcome to today's video tutorial. Today we're going to be having a look at how to change the locate and the highlight values of your fixtures. Now if I select my spots and locate them, we can see there that this is the default way that all of the attributes on those spots locate. Now of course you can change the default and you can change the way any attribute is locating. So if I now select my position and tilt all of these out towards us so we can see. Okay, once I've made the change there and it's in the programmer, you can then select to record, and you'll notice now that your locate button actually flashes. Okay, so once I've selected record locate, it brings us into this store locate state menu. So from here we're going to specify whether we want this locate to be a shared value, so whether we want all of our MMX spots to locate in this way, or whether we want just the individual fixtures we've used to locate in this way. Once you've set this, just hit record and that will change the locate for that attribute. Anything you haven't moved will continue locating in exactly the same way. So now if I select my spots and locate them, okay, they're all locating now, pointed out towards us. So remember, locate them first and then change the values you want. So I'm going to put the tilt back to 50%. Okay, once it's set up, then select record, locate. Remember to specify whether it's going to be shared or individual values, and then just hit record. Okay, so now my spots will locate normally again. Okay, you can also change the way that your fixtures highlight as well. So generic fixtures will always highlight with intensity. They will highlight at 100% and low light at 30%. Intelligent fixtures that have colour will always highlight in yellow and low light in blue. So if I again select my spots, when I highlight them, you can see that the highlight is yellow and the low light is blue. Again, you can change your highlight and your low light values. So to change them, I'm going to start by locating my spots so I can see what I'm doing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the highlight state the dimmer at 100. Okay, so again, set it up first and then select record, and you'll notice that your highlight button flashes too. Now what you can do for this is set a mask. So obviously if you're halfway through something and you hit highlight, you don't want it to home all of your attributes. So set your mask to just include the attribute you're using to highlight with. And then store your highlight state. Okay. Then I'm going to put my low light state into the programmer, which is going to be 0. And then again I'll say record and highlight. Your mask will stay in what you had it set in, and this time I can store the low light state. Okay, so now when I highlight my spots, okay, they're going to highlight at 100% and low light at 0%.